Hey guys, how are you? We've got another one here where we have similar triangles. They're telling us that we're using the side splitter theorem. Remember that says that if there is a line that connects those two sides that is parallel to this side, then these triangles are similar. So what we can do is set up a proportion. I'm going to say x over 6 equals, and I'm going to change colors for us here, 12 over 5. And remember, I'm using corresponding parts just on the different sides. So I'm going to say 12 over 5. And then what do? Oh yeah, baby, you guessed it. Well, you didn't guess it, you knew it. We are cross multiplying. So I get 5x equals 6 times 12 is 72. I'm going to divide both sides by 5, and I'm going to go ahead and stick that in my calculator just because I know I'm going to get a decimal value, and I want to make sure I get it right. So I'm going to say 72 divided by, excuse me, and I got 14.4. Now remember, the nearest tenth is one place after the decimal, so we don't have to do any rounding. It's already there. So x is 14.4. Sorry about that. Hope that helps.